Exciting new research has found evidence that eating fish is heart healthy. Until now, scientific studies showing omega-3s are heart healthy have primarily been based on what people say they eat. But researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health studied the bloodstream to make their discovery. The scientists studied data on more than 2,600 people, finding that fish eaters with the highest levels of omega-3 fatty acids in their blood reap significant benefits. Nutrition expert Christopher Ochner said there was about a 23% reduction in total deaths and around a 35% reduction in cardiovascular incidents, which makes the study significant. For more top stories, tune into Newsreel every Monday. This is Rachel Pether for Fast News.